can I get a loan and build my own home?
Okay, you can't.
To make a video with Fred Price with 20 years of experience building homes of what you need to pre-qualify as a builder for build a home, what you need to start the process. Okay, Fred.
So I'm guessing you're saying, I get calls like that too, or I talk to people a lot of times. So I'm assuming you're saying that people they call up, they want to borrow money from you to build their own house, right?
Yes, I receive, for example, I got a lot and I want to build my own house. I got this experience, even working with other contractors, but as a workers, not as a builders, you know? And they ask, what do I need to get? Or can I get a loan and build my own home? Once I get one that told me, I was told that if I feel like an Excel with everything detailed, with all the process detailed, I can get a loan. And I said, I don't think it's gonna be like that, but okay, now Fred Price is going to answer all those questions.
Okay, so, here's what...
I'm sorry, but you can't.
Here's what typically happens, right? And I'm wearing my construction hat because that's just to show that we're building homes in Southwest Florida, but I'll put on my thinking cap here so I can explain it a little bit easier. A lot of people have experience in construction. The banks are not going to lend you money to build your own home, okay? Because they need a security blanket to make sure that they are going to lend the money, because we're partners in the deal with you, to somebody that has the ability, financial ability, from the builder's perspective to also build the home. If you had built maybe 3 or 4 homes within the past year for other clients, you have a track record, you have a good credit score, you have references from supply houses and from vendors, and you supply all that information as a subcontractor or as someone that has a license in Florida to the bank, they will consider it and they will make those phone calls and they will check into you and say, okay, yeah, for me, for example, they say, okay, yeah, Fred Price has the ability from Lauren Homes to build a home. But even if I wanted to build my own personal house, they would not let me do that because they want to make sure that I'm not inflating prices or that jobs are going to get done. So there's no way an individual that they're going to lend that money to somebody that says, yeah, I want to build my own house. They're going to want a licensed contractor that has the financial ability and the experience, proven experience, not I work for somebody, that they, before they lend that money. So that's not really out there. Could there be some used car salesman, fast money, someone telling you something that you want to hear? They're out there. We get people, well, this guy said this, and I just know that it's not real, so.